So if you want to trade news, I don't want to be maneuvering through forexfactory.com, the website, then back to your trading view, back and forth. I mean, that's very stressful and can be confusing as well. So in this video, I'll be showing you a very quick and simple indicator that solves all your problem, that helps you trade the news as simple as ABC. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I mean, that's how we grow. So let's get started. First things first, you already know that navigating through Forex Factory to your trading view, sometimes you can't read all the news, you can't implement those news effectively. Now this indicator I'll be showing you in this video will actually help you solve this problem. So what you have to do is go to your settings area here, then search for indicators. Now this indicator, the name is live economic calendar. So let's search for live economic calendar. Now you see two options. Select this first one by this guy here. So select this first one. Remember, select the first one. You can either choose to follow the guy or whatever. I don't know. I just want to show you. So just select this one for by the guy. Now you can see it's already in here. So here you can see the news. Remember, you can use your laptop for this. It will be more clearer. I'm using my phone. Now if you are looking at this chart right here, you will see the lines, red and yellow lines. These are the high impact news and the medium impact news showing on this chart. Now you can as well filter this. So if you want to filter it, like select the news you want shown here. Wait, let me move this. So to filter this out, go to the settings area here. I see the settings area, right? Now click on the settings area. You will see the no impact, the low impact, medium impact, and high impact. Once I deselect all of them, you can see there's nothing on the chart. Now once you select the ones you want, for instance, I want the high impact news, I want the medium impact news, and the low impact news. That's the red is the high impact, orange is the medium, the yellow is the low impact news. These are the three types of news that will impact or affect the chart in any way at all. Then this one is the bankers holiday, bank holiday, whatever. So it doesn't really affect anything in the chart. So I won't be taking that one. So I will be selecting these three. Now you can see I'm press OK. Now you can see this on the charts. That's basically how you filter it out. Then you can as well select the go to the settings area, as then you see the currencies. Look at automatically choose the currencies news based on the current symbol on the chart. So based on this current chart you're using JBP USD, we have to just select that one. That's the economic news that will affect JBP USD that will be shown in this news here. So if you are trading card, if you are trading JBP JPY, anyone you're trading that is here, you just tick that one. Because I'm trading JBP USD, that's why I'm selecting GBP USD. You understand? So that's basically how you filter this out. Now once you filter it out, you will see only the news affecting these pairs on here. So you can see it's JBP USD. The news that will affect JBP USD is all listed here, and this is what we are seeing on the chart right here as well. And you can see the timelines of them. That's basically how you filter it out. All this is understandable, right? So you can use this for every pair or any pair you like. Like for instance, you want to switch to gold or any other pair. Okay, let me just use gold. Let's search for gold here. Let's search for gold, right? Now this will show you the news you are to expect from gold. Let me zoom out. Okay, you can see the lines now. Like once it reaches this line, that's the time another economic news will be coming out. That's basically how this works. It's very simple and straightforward. Like you understand now, by the time these candlesticks reach this zone, you know that there is a news coming out. Then if it reaches here, that's a high impact news which you should be careful of, and the time as well it will be coming out. Like you will see, you can see it here. Let me zoom in. So you can see the high impact news here on the chart. By sorry, by Wednesday, July 2nd at 8. Now you can see it here as well. By 8, Wednesday, July 2nd, by 8, there's a high impact news, non-farm employment change. So basically, this is very simple and straightforward. This is how you trade the news in the chart. So this will show you the news inside the chart. So you won't be navigating through or maneuvering through your trading view back to your forexfactory.com back and forth, and that's very straightforward. And you can't even see the time in your chart when you're analyzing. So now with this, you can analyze your trade with this news. I don't know if you understand. Basically, you analyze your trades now with this news in mind, seeing it in the charts. If I want to draw my chart now, I'll know that by this time or by this time or by this time there's a news coming out. Now this will make me know that if I'm going for short or long position, I should know what the news is about first, or whether I should stay out of the news as well totally, like the high impact news. If the news now is something you have to stay out of, then this will make your decision a lot easier and better. You get. So basically, this is how it works. Any economic news that will affect gold, like we selected gold here. You can select JBP USD, you can select Euro USD, anyone, anyhow, or any pair you are using or you're trading. This will show you the news, any economic news that will impact it. You understand? Then the best part is you see it in the chart, you see it at the time. So you can get to the settings, like go to the settings here and select the time zone according to where you are. You understand? Select it according to where you are so that you see it live on the chart like this. Now whenever I'm trading, if it reaches this zone, I will have to be careful. I have to know that there is a news coming up in this place, in this time, in this day. So this is basically a very simple and easy way to implement this fundamental analysis in the chart. Basically, a lot of people don't know this. So if you are seeing this for the first time and you think it's helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to other people so that they will know how to implement fundamental analysis into the chart. I mean, this is very crazy if you know how to use it right. Technical plus fundamental analysis is the key to being a profitable trader, and that's on period. Now if this was helpful, like I said, share this video to others so they can learn from it as well, and as well implement this knowledge. Not implemented is a waste. Basically, you have to get the knowledge, then implement it for it to be successful or impactful. So you have to implement this in your chart whenever you're trading, whenever you're analyzing, and that way you can be a profitable trader. Yeah, so if this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and share.